Time for Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Woof!
Hello and welcome back to Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. We've been looking at some really sneaky sounds lately, like these. Ooh, so sneaky. They're not what you think they are when you first read them. So we've looked at the f sound made by the P and the H, the w or even h sound made by the W and the H, and now we're going to look at the K-N sound. Next slide. These are the sounds we have looked at, w and f. Whale, wheelbarrow, whiteboard, wheel, wheat, whisk, whistle, who. That one breaks the rule a little bit. Wheelchair, white, whip, whack, White House, that's where the president lives in America. Whisker, when, and whisper. Something Puffles is not very good at. And then we looked at f words, a photo, phone, gopher, alphabet, sphere, elephant, dolphin, xylophone, microphone, and graph, which is the only one where it's at the end of the word. Today, we are looking at n. It's spelt like kn, but it's said like n. And as I have found it, it always comes at the beginning of a word. So, the next step is to get a little bit of paper or something to write on and see how many kn words, well, we say it like n, you can see in this picture and write them down. Okay? Ready, steady. Go. Ooh. Well done, everyone. How many did you find? So we've got knee over here. Puffles does not have any knees. Knuckles. Oh, Puffles doesn't have any of those either. Just a little squishy paws. Knitting. That's something you do with wool to make jumpers. Knife. That's something you should never play with. It's used by grown-ups for cooking and such things. Kneel. Something you can do on your knees if you have them. Knob, like a doorknob, it opens doors. Knot, oh, that's something Puffles gets himself all tangled in when he's playing with ribbons. Knock, thank you, Mrs. Boucher. Puffles cannot knock, he has sponge paws. Knight, now knights traditionally are not my friends. They're not very kind to dragons, but this one's all right. And then at the bottom, I got that knows more guy from Wreck-It Ralph 2 because he knows lots of stuff. And it's hard to find a picture for the word know or knowledge. Let's look at the next slide to see how many more n words there are. Wow, there's loads. So we've got know, something you know, knob like a doorknob, knee, knit, known, kneel, knock, knife, night, knuckle, knot, nap. Now this is a new word that Mrs. Boucher learned today. It means a very, very top of a hill. New words, always learning. New, that's something Mrs. Boucher never knew. Need, oh, I missed knack. Knack is when you have a skill for something. Like Puffles have a knack for dancing. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Woo! Need is not like something you need, but it's when you're making bread and you do this thing where you punch it and you roll it and you punch it and you roll it. It's like you're beating up the bread, but it's kneading and it's actually what it needs to rise and bake properly. Knelt, if you knelt down. A knave is a very old-fashioned word for someone who's a little bit cheeky, not very nice. Naughty, that's what Puffles makes in ribbons, lots of naughty notes. And knowledge is something you have when you learn. How many did you find today? Puffles is so proud of you, finding all these sneaky sounds in words. Let's see what we learn tomorrow on
And that was Puffles and Hugsley, sound of the day. Woof!